When Natalia, come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making drum roll. Brownies! Yes, brownies. I'm excited to eat them. I'm going to eat them. Oh my gosh. Hey, that's my brownies. Can I get this mix? Get this mix. Thank you. This is icing. Let's see inside. Not yet. Okay, so the instructions are: preheat the oven to 180 degrees. You think you need to make the brownies. 100 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon water. Okay. Hello. Finished. We're gonna pour the mixture.
Yep.
Okay, let's just say mixture. Wait.
It's gone. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna melt the butter. Okay, ready?
Melted! Wanna put it in?
Ooh, that looks
Buttery.
Who's going to break the eggs?
how about we do it?
Break the eggs.
Oh my God.
Exactly. Just get the shells and throw the shells in there.
Shells.
Throw the shells
Oh,
in
look
here.
at this.
Good thing. Yep.
My fudge. The one is chocolate fudge.
Good job.
Go for it.
I wanna mix it.
Can I do a little bit of mix it?
2 of those.
One.
Two.
Wait.
You're holding the bowl and I'm mixing.
This is
Our baking pan. We use it for baking things.
We use baking paper so it doesn't stick. Natalia, stop. Don't hold it. Can I lick the bowl?
Wait.
Now we have to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Maybe get an adult to help you put it in the oven because it might be a bit hot. I'm going to get my dad to do this. Bye-bye, brownies. Let's do the waving dance. Okay. While we wait for the brownies, please like and subscribe.
Few moments later.
It's out of the oven and it's all ready. Okay, now we're gonna make the
Have a
icing.
little bit more.
Soft butter, 50 grams. Oh, I thought it would be like liquidy. Now we're gonna put in the milk. Mixing. Okay. I'm gonna dollop this on.
I'm going to spit it and so we're just going to be putting it in.
Oh, well, we should have waited a bit longer for it to cool down because the icing's all melted. So we can't wait any longer. We have to eat it. Now we have it all cut up. We're gonna try it.
Good. I'm going to eat it.
It's good.
Give 2 thumbs up if you like. Thanks for watching our
Videos.
videos.
Please like and subscribe. Bye. Look how messy our hands were. Look how messy our hands are.
Oh my god.
And our faces. Look at she even has chocolate there. How did she get it there? Okay, you can have mine.
Bye.